I thought that the two of you were out and about.
I wanted to pass by our home first. If you're not pleased that we're here, we can always leave.
Don't say things like that, Ulaş. In fact, when you leave, you won't end up coming back. And seeing you like this makes me so happy.
Did you go and see Asya?
Oh, yes.
Well, and?
She mixed some medicine for me that I had to take.
Let me check the stove.
What stove is this now?
He has been waiting to cook sardines since this morning.
But I want to have the real Caledonian sardines. I ordered it from the fishmonger long ago. They brought some in from Lesvos.
Why did you decide to start cooking if I'm here?
Let him do it.
You shouldn't tire yourself.
Okay, then.
Sit beside me, my Sultana. To bestow good luck on the money that we have made, I have brought my Sultana a gift.
Ulaş. It's very beautiful. You're the best, thanks, Ulaş. Who knows how much money you must have spent on it?
The smile that it has put on your face right now is more valuable than all the jewelry.
Let me get up. I can't feel at ease like this. I'll prepare a beautiful table. Let's eat together.
Fine, sounds good.
Let me check on İlyas.